Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix battery drain after update on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so factory reset. Click on settings app, click on system and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix battery drain after update on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.